Hello to everyone. This is Muruga Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about the topic, what services do commercial bank offers? So let us discuss the services are offered by the commercial banks one by one. The first one is commercial lending. So commercial lending means the commercial banks are lending the loan to the businesses so that the borrowing relationship between a business and a commercial bank is possible. It provides the fund by which the companies can pay their various business expenses like payment of salary, payment to the suppliers like that. So it may be a short-term period or it may be a long-term period. So another services are loan syndications. So commercial banking services can arrange syndicated loan transaction for companies that requires a more flexible credit facilities. So the business may require a customized loan services from a commercial bank so that it can approach a commercial bank for the loan which is commercialized, that is customized. It may not be in the regular structure in the loan regulations or rules of a bank. So loan syndication services can be advantageous for several reasons. That is to simplify negotiating multiple credit arrangements, and they can also improve borrower control over financial activities. So loan syndications can provide funding for many different corporate purposes, including acquisition and capital expenditure. Depository services are the another service by the commercial bank for the businesses. Hallmark of commercial bank is the ability to make deposits. Whether you are making an individual or company transactions, most bank offers a wide range of depository services to meet your needs regardless of your business size. So commercial checking services may include checking with earnings, credit and interest only checking. So checking is the payment services which are being provided by the commercial bank. It may be through earnings credit or earnings credit and interest only, means the interest are being accumulated or generated out of your deposits, and earnings credit means the business which are earned by the sales or some other activities. So it may be deposited in your bank account so that it can be withdrawn or payment to some other businesses. So depository services are critical to day-to-day business operations and provide the means to manage the transactions. So depository services is nothing but which are used by the businesses to transfer the fund from bank to another businesses or withdrawing the fund from the businesses. Another services are account payable solutions, means many commercial bank offer customers solutions to streamline their account payable processes. Let's users choose from a variety of card options that you can use for pay invoices. So every day business wants to pay so many payments to different people which are depending upon the size of business. So that different card options are available to pay the payables or invoices, so that the commercial bank offers so many varieties or options of card for the businesses to pay the invoices. Account payable solutions are an important and convenient way for business to manage their payment owned to suppliers. So by staying on top of this process, they can make payment easier and get things care of in a more timely fashion. It is very important for every business. Liquidity management solution is another service which are being provided by the commercial bank. Liquidity refers to the easy by which you can readily convert asset to cash without affecting their market price. Means many commercial bank offer liquidity management solutions to help business monitor their money. The standard liquidity management solution involves cash concentration, automated investment, and loan sweep. So these are the three major liquidity management solutions which are provided by the commercial bank to the its business customer. This can help business keep an eye on whether their funds are going and determine their liquidity. So let us see the meaning for cash concentration. Cash concentration is the transfer of fund from diverse account into a central account to improve the efficiency of cash management. Means a business may have several bank accounts, but these several bank accounts may have the central bank accounts. That means the bank account, the balance in the bank account may maintain in the minimum balance in the different bank accounts, and a major balance can be maintained in a centralized bank account. That is, the consolidation of cash into a single account allows a company to maintain smaller cash balances overall and to identify excess cash available for short-term investment. The cash available in different bank accounts are pooled into a master account. The advantages of cash concentration are cash control and cash visibility. So, the minimum balances can be maintained in another cash bank balances, and a central pooled, that is master account, the balances can be maintained as a monitoring account. So the advantages of this cash concentration are cash control. The cash can be controlled, and the cash visibility is possible. How much cash are maintained by a business, and this can be used for the investment purpose. For example, there are two bank accounts, that is bank account X and bank account Y. For each of these bank accounts, you set a minimum of 10,000 as a limit. In the actual account, it appears X has 15,000 while bank Y has 20,000. The differences of 5,000 in the bank X and the 10,000 in bank Y will be transferred for a total of 15,000 to bank account Z, that is cash pool, that is centralized cash account. This increases the possibility of using surplus for the other uses. So this is the main purpose and meaning of the cash concentration. Next one is foreign exchange. So foreign exchange is possible for a businesses involving in the importing and exporting activities. These days, it is impossible to conduct good business without dealing with the foreign currency. 80 to 95% of all US business purchase supplies overseas or having sales overseas. This is why commercial bank offer foreign exchange services to customers. They help with conversion rates and mitigate the risk associated with fluctuating foreign currency. So another benefit to use commercial banks foreign exchange services is that they are typically very secure when we are comparing to the other services. So next one is investment banking. Investment banking services assist companies and government institutions in generating the capital. They also help facilitate acquisition transactions and other financial advisory services like valuation, fairness option, and corporate debt offering. The last and final services are provided by the commercial banks are remote deposit capture. Means RDC has become essential for financial institutions to remain competitive. Commercial bank are no exception. Means the checks which are being collected by the businesses, that is electrical checks electrically, means the checks can be deposited and electrically and quickly can be deposited, eliminating the need for people to have to pull up to a physical bank every time they want to deposit something. This can be especially useful for businesses responsible for depositing large volume of checks over short period of time. Means RDC allows user to deposit checks electrically. That is the main purpose of this services provided by the commercial banks. So thank you for your listening.